what happens is you lose your keys to your car. You're in a panic. You go on your phone and you search for a local auto locksmith. 3, 4, even 5 of these call centers show up as a local locksmith offering $19.95 service. They'll come out and they'll help you for $19.95. The switch is it's $19.95 to come to you, and then they present a bill to you for $300 or $400 to help you. Now at this point you're in a panic, you want to keep moving. They may negotiate for a little bit less to get your business, but basically they're charging you double or maybe 3 times of what a certified registered locksmith like myself would charge you.
Right. So they're holding you hostage while you're there.
They are very much holding you hostage while you're there, yes. Most of the time these locksmiths aren't registered, they're not bonded, they have no insurance, and they really don't know what they're doing. They'll damage your car. What you do to avoid this is look for someone's physical address. A local business, someone that does business in the area, somebody that you can call and you can actually speak to a locksmith when you answer the phone. You're not leaving your information and we'll have someone call you back. You want to know where the business is located. You want to know how long they've been in business. You want to make sure that they're licensed. When you do your search, Google will give you a physical address. It will also give you the reviews of that particular company. Reviews would indicate that it's an actual business located near you versus a call center won't have any reviews, or probably awful reviews at this point, yeah. If you mistakenly get a call center to come out and they're trying to double the bill, ask them to leave. A reputable local locksmith will be out there quickly and be able to help you and save you money, and most important, not damage your car. These call centers will send inexperienced people out and they will damage your car. We're talking hundreds and hundreds, could be $1,000 or more to correct the problem. It's all electronics now, so you want to be very careful. If you're looking for more information on transponder keys, call Stu at 215-486-7040. Remember, see Stu, he's easy.